Hey there, beauties!
Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for all things beauty and skincare.
Today, we're diving into the world of tanning lotions, but not just any tanning lotion.
We're talking about the absolute best indoor tanning lotion for sensitive skin that's making waves in the market.
Get ready to glow like never before.
Introducing the That's What C Said Tanning Lotion Accelerator.
This tanning lotion isn't just your ordinary bronzer.
It's a game changer in the tanning world, formulated with sensitive skin in mind. Let's dive into what makes it so special. First off, let's talk about that deep, golden tan.
This lotion is specially crafted with a proprietary blend of tyrosines, designed to stimulate melanin production, giving you that rich, sun-kissed glow without the need for bronzer or artificial processes. But what sets this tanning lotion apart is its dedication to skincare. Enriched with coconut oil, aloe vera, and passion fruit extracts, it's like a tropical vacation for your skin. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to smooth, supple skin.
And here's a feature you don't often see in tanning lotions: tattoo protection.
Yes, you heard that right. This lotion actively works to prevent your tattoos from fading, so you can flaunt your ink with confidence.
Plus, no more worries about staining your clothes or sheets. Unlike other self-tanners, this lotion is white and non-sticky, ensuring a mess-free application every time. And if you're conscious about the products you use, you'll be pleased to know that this tanning lotion is cruelty-free and proudly made in the USA. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers who have tried and loved this product. Smells great. Perfect for outdoor tanning. Works wonders.
These are just a few of the rave reviews pouring in for this incredible tanning lotion.
So, if you're ready to achieve that perfect tan without compromising on skincare, look no further than the That's What C Said Tanning Lotion Accelerator.
Trust me, your skin will thank you. That's a wrap for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty reviews and skincare secrets. Until next time, stay fabulous.